Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like it has come back inside its Fibonacci range that we've been talking about for such a long time now. You can see very clearly how Polygon has been playing these Fibonacci levels so nicely, to be fair. Really respecting them in a big way. If you look at this chart, you can see just these Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci pulled from the high of the previous bull market down to the current low of this bear market. You can see very clearly here, we come up into this area, just bouncing between our Fibonacci levels all over the place. Very clear levels of support and resistance. I mean, if you'd been trading these Fibonacci levels, you would have been making a ton of money, wouldn't you? I mean, just take a look at this when we come into this range here. You know, short this, long this, short, long here. Maybe you would have got stopped out if you had a type stop loss. Long here. You know, you probably would have got stopped down on this one, but short here, this would have come down and smashed your take profit, this previous level here. Long here, smash your take profit. You know, you come back inside again. You can see this is a pretty clear trade as well. You know, you get the big deviation outside the range. You come back inside, you retest as resistance, you start rejecting. Short position here, hold it down to the low. As you can see, I always keep this one here as a testament to how close I was to getting filled on this long. You can see here I had a long position here that didn't get filled at the Fibonacci level. This would have been a straight banger, as you can see quite clearly. I leave it there to remind myself that sometimes you just need to get into the trade and not wait for the exact key level. I could have had this, you know, filled here and still made a ton of money. Basically missing out on a nice move there. You can basically see what's been happening since then, really. It's all these key levels being respected very nicely all over the place. You know, breakout, backtest, little bit of a range, continuation here, little rejection, overextension, big retracement back down to this level. I was averaging into a long position here, and here. I came up here and actually took my profits on this pretty much at the previous resistance, so a nice little trade here where I was averaging in. But I thought that, you know, with the markets going down in general, that this was probably a good place to take profits. I had a big position here as well to average down to about an average entry here, so I made a nice little lump sum there. And then you can see here just coming down. I think in this area it would have been good to take a long position, but realistically, with the markets looking the way that they were, with everyone feeling quite bearish, it was pretty obvious that, you know, taking a long position here probably wasn't the best idea. And as you can see, lost the support back down into this range that we're in for such a long time. And right now, just waiting for Polygon to decide where it wants to go. Obviously, you can see here in and around this area here, we lost that $1 support as well, and the 0.50 Fibonacci. So back into the range again. And you can see in the previous video, I marked out this long and short position. I'll be trading this range again until it breaks. If we come back up to test the previous support as resistance, which is highly likely, do something like this and then come down, which is very common in most financial markets, to be honest, isn't it? You can see the breakdown, back test, breakdown, and then you probably expect the back test and continuation like this, wouldn't you? So be interesting to see what happens next. I'll be taking a short position here or a long position here, depending on where we go first. Bitcoin right now looking like it's, you know, it's kind of looking bearish in the immediate short term, but I do think it's forming nice bullish market structure. You can see making clear higher highs and higher lows. I do think a retracement back down to this previous swing high resistance as support and the bounce would be good. But right now we are just waiting for Polygon to decide what it wants to do. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.